In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable where to save files on Chrome. If you want Chrome to ask you where each file should be saved before it starts downloading, this is a very useful setting to turn on. It gives you more control over your downloads, helps keep your folders organized, and makes it easier to choose a different location depending on the type of file you're saving. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure the browser is fully open, so you can access the main menu and settings area without any issues. Once Chrome is open, go to the top right corner of the browser window and click the three dots. This opens the main Chrome menu where you can access several options for customizing how the browser works. From that menu, click Settings. This will take you to Chrome's Settings page, where you can adjust different browser preferences like privacy, appearance, and download behavior. If the page takes a second to load, just wait until the Settings menu is fully visible. After that, look for the Downloads section and click on it. This is where Chrome stores options related to downloaded files, including the default download location and whether the browser should ask you where to save files each time. In the Downloads section, find the option that says Ask where to save each file before downloading and toggle it on. Once this setting is enabled, Chrome will no longer automatically send every file to the same folder without asking. Instead, each time you download something, a save window will appear, allowing you to choose exactly where you want that file to go. This can be especially helpful if you regularly download different types of files like documents, images, videos, or software, and you want to sort them into separate folders right away instead of moving them later. If you ever want to switch back to automatic downloads, you can return to the same download setting and toggle the option off. That will make Chrome save files directly to your default downloads folder again. And that's it. Once you've turned this setting on, Chrome will ask where to save each file before downloading, giving you more control and flexibility every time you save something from the web.